Many English learners find themselves translating from their native language, even after years of study. This habit can slow down conversations and make speech sound less natural. In this section, you'll discover an effective approach designed to help you think directly in English. By adopting this method, you can improve your fluency, speak more quickly, and express yourself with greater confidence. The goal is to move beyond translation and start using English as your primary mode of thought. Many students find it challenging to think in English because their learning often centers on memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary lists, rather than using the language in everyday situations. This approach treats English as a subject to be studied rather than a tool for communication. The human brain naturally favors patterns and repetition over abstract rules. By consistently practicing and exposing themselves to English in daily life, learners can start to internalize these patterns. Training the mind to process English like a native speaker involves regular use and immersion, not just theoretical study. Over time, this method helps make thinking in English more natural and automatic. Start by focusing on micro-thoughts, brief, straightforward phrases such as "cold outside" or "I'm hungry." These short expressions help you quickly capture your immediate experiences in English. The emphasis is on building fluency and ease rather than achieving perfect grammar or vocabulary. For the next 24 hours, try to describe your actions and feelings using 2 or 3 word thoughts. This approach encourages you to think in English naturally, making it a regular part of your daily routine. Over time, these simple phrases will lay the foundation for more complex thoughts and sentences. One effective way to practice English is by describing your daily routine using simple phrases. For example, you might say, "I wake up at 7," or "I brush my teeth." By connecting the language to your everyday actions, you make English a natural part of your life. This approach helps you remember vocabulary and sentence structures more easily. Over time, these small habits can build your confidence and fluency. Practicing in real-life situations allows you to internalize English, moving beyond what you learn from textbooks. Applying the no translation rule means that you should think directly in English when considering objects or actions, rather than translating from your native language. This approach helps your mind adapt to using English naturally, making your speech more fluent and automatic. If you encounter a word you don't know, try to describe it in English instead of searching for a translation. For example, if you can't remember the word for umbrella, you might say the thing you use when it rains to stay dry. This practice not only builds your vocabulary, but also encourages creative thinking in English. The shadowing technique is a powerful way to enhance your English speaking skills. Simply listen to short English clips and repeat what you hear right away, doing your best to match the speaker's tone and speed. This approach trains your brain to process English more quickly and helps you develop a more natural speaking rhythm. By mimicking native pronunciation, you can also improve your accent and clarity. Even dedicating just 5 minutes a day to shadowing can lead to noticeable progress over time. In this mini practice session, you will repeat a series of positive sentences in English. This exercise is designed to help you internalize useful phrases and encourage you to think more naturally in English. By repeating these affirmations, you reinforce your language skills and build greater confidence in your speaking abilities. Take a moment to listen carefully. Then repeat each sentence aloud. Remember, consistent practice is key to improvement. Let's begin with our first positive sentence. Immerse yourself in English by integrating it into your everyday environment. Start by setting your devices, such as your phone and computer, to English. Follow social media accounts, podcasts, or news outlets that use the language. Even speaking to yourself in English, whether thinking aloud or narrating your actions, can reinforce your skills. These small, consistent exposures accumulate over time, leading to noticeable improvement. Gradually, English becomes a natural part of your daily routine, making the learning process both effective and enjoyable. Thinking in English is not an ability you acquire overnight. It's a skill that grows with consistent daily effort. By dedicating just 5 minutes each day to this practice, you can start to rewire your thought patterns and make English a natural part of your inner dialogue. Over time, these small habits accumulate, making it easier to express yourself and understand others in English. This gradual shift helps your brain adapt, allowing you to operate more comfortably in English mode. With persistence, you'll notice a transformation in your confidence and fluency, shaping a new version of yourself as an English thinker.